here today is a 27-inch TV for bathroom. It's a white frame, so let's unpack the box first and have a look what I have inside and how does it look like. For the packing itself, we have outer carton, which is quite strong, and another inner carton box for extra protection, and also the whole TV is covered by foam. So you will see it's really reliable, and we can send one pieces by DHL to any country worldwide. So let's open the unit. You can make it alone, but it's better to ask someone to help because it's quite heavy. So the outer carton box is out, and now we have here inner carton box. Let's open this one as well. What we have here is the part of metal back box which will be installed inside the wall. You may have a look at another video we have, especially for back box assembling. So that's the part of this back box. The second box carton is taken off. So as I said, the TV is covered with white foam. So what we have inside the box? The other parts of the back box, our cable, it will come to you depending on the country standard you use. So if it's if the unit will be shipped to the US, you will get your standard, and if it's for Europe, it will come the same like this one with 2 round pin. Then we have 2 remote controls. One is waterproof, and it comes with a wall holder, so you may stick it with 3M, and it will be located wherever we want, close to the TV itself, for instance. And another one is we call it premium remote control. It looks quite nice, following design of Samsung remote. This one is not non-waterproof, so we suggest to use it when you are outside of bathroom, or keep it as a second additional remote, just in case the original one is damaged or lost or broken or whatever. And also these TVs actually they can be installed not only in bathroom but also in interiors, like in bedroom or living room area or terrace outside. So in this case, this remote will work as a main one by default. This one is power adapter. So the TV itself works with 12 volts. That's for safety reasons, so we don't have any high voltage inside the TV itself. And we have our screws and bolts for fixing the back box inside the wall. Now I will show you the interfaces. All the cables are coming from the back of the TV. Let me show you. The TV is completely waterproof, so no water can get inside the case. And what we have here normally is 2 USB, 2 HDMI, 2 antenna, one is analog and another is digital, and other cables for sound connection and the rest. What is important here? Sometimes people want to use their set-top box, and if they prefer to use set-top box and another remote control, then you may use this IR control cable to put the signal through. In this case, when you just forward the original remote of your set-top box to our TV, the signal will come to your set-top box whenever it is installed. So it may be hidden inside some shelf or water. It doesn't matter, the signal will come through this cable. So basically that's it for the parts and accessories. Let's turn on the TV and see how it works. What we have skipped while opening the box is that we have these papers inside. One is prior to first use, short user manual. The full version is available on our website. Another one is installation guide. And we have here installation niche size drawing. Let's have a look at the TV now. It's on, and you may notice it has colorful and bright image. We use IPS panels. They are full angle view and provide great performance. All our TVs for bathroom, they are completely waterproof. They has IP65 ranking. Another important feature is our tempered glass. That's a safety feature. And what is also important is that we have vibration speakers inside, on the left and on the right. They work through the glass and make the glass shaking and generating the sound. Let me show you.
That's what I love so much about being in the ocean.
That's pretty loud.
I think I want to be a shark. I like them a lot.
And as you notice, there are no holes and our TV is very easy to clean. So, share this video if you like it and if you like our products, and thank you for watching.